Wow! Hello, princess!
Hello, mommy, princess.
You're so beautiful. So, Julia, because today you're a beautiful princess, Mommy has a surprise for you.
Surprise egg.
It's not an egg, but I have a nail set with trolls.
Yeah.
Just for you. Do you want to have some fun?
Yeah.
Wow.
No,
That's so beautiful. Really nice. You need some help?
Yeah.
Give Mommy. Mommy will help you.
Yes. Yay!
Hey.
This one, this.
Which one do you want?
This one.
Let's have a look. Yes, like this. Can you manage?
Yeah.
Yes, good job. Put that on the table. Put it on the table. Like this. And now, with your hand like this, now you can do your nail. Wow! That's amazing! Now the other one. Wow! Now you have to do this one. Do you want? Do you want with this one? The next one. Wow! Next one. Show mommy your nails. Like this. Do like this. Wow! And the other one? Like this. Wow, you look so nice.
Bye bye, guys. Thumbs up.